In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from debit card to Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can use a debit card to add money to your Apple Cash account. So, to do this and use Apple Cash in conjunction with Apple Pay and other services, first you will have to link the debit card. If you already have the debit card linked, then you can skip ahead in this video, but if you have never linked a debit card, you have to open your Apple Wallet. Inside of the Apple Wallet, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. Now you will see the option to add a debit or credit card. Choose this option from the list, and now you can go through the process. So they are going to give you the option to scan your card using your camera to automatically fill out some of the necessary details like the card number, expiration date, and security code, or you can choose to enter them manually, which allows you to use your keyboard to type out all of these details. Regardless of which option you choose, after the card has been verified, or rather recognized, you will have to go through the verification process itself. So they are going to give you some options. For example, this card can be verified over a text message, email, or another text message. Sometimes they might also give you the option to open the bank app, use a call, and so on. Just choose any of these verification methods and go through the process. If you don't verify the card, it won't be usable to add money. Then you can tap next and it is going to appear under your wallet. With the card properly added to your wallet, you can now move on to adding money itself. Tap on Apple Cash. You can either tap on your balance or the Apple Cash logo here. You will see your Apple Cash balance once more, and finally the option to add money. So this is how you will be able to add money to your Apple Pay account or Apple Cash. Now you can specify the amount that you will be adding. You can use these preset values here or type out exactly how much you need, for example $35 and so on. You can set up auto reload, and once you are satisfied, tap the option to add. Now on the list of options, you will be able to choose between a 1 to 3 business days transfer, which usually will involve using a bank. This one has no fees attached, so it is free. But if you want to use a debit card, which is an instant transfer, it is going to have a 25-cent fee. So just choose the option here at the top, and you will be able to select the debit card that you added to your Apple Wallet. With this done, you can make the transfer and the money will be added. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from debit card to Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.